Fact 18. In 2016, the World Bank's Doing Business report ranked Jamaica in the top 10 most improved economies worldwide because of 4 major reforms that they had made then. Now we're in 2022 and we know Jamaica keeps getting stronger and stronger with little but with talawa. Happy Independence, Jamaica, and thanks for watching. You can follow me on my social media on Facebook at tanya.hernandez.9440234 or on my Instagram at Doraytee, Doraytee. You can also follow me on YouTube. Just put in Tania Hernandez or Miss Tania Lou. And you can also go on my website, TaniaLHernandez.com. What good?